Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics in the modern workforce, AI-powered productivity for remote workers. Whether you're working from home, a co-working space, or anywhere in between, AI is reshaping how we stay productive and manage our workdays. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll learn how to harness AI tools to boost your efficiency and reduce stress, no matter where you're working from. Remote work has skyrocketed in recent years, with more companies embracing flexible work environments. But let's be honest, working remotely comes with its own set of challenges, right? Managing your time, staying focused, and balancing work-life boundaries can be tough. That's where AI comes in. With the power of artificial intelligence, we can streamline tasks, stay organized, and even automate parts of our workflow. Let's check out some of the top AI tools that can make your remote work life easier. First up, let's talk about task management. Apps like Trello or Asana have been around for a while, but with AI integration, tools like ClickUp and Notion take it to the next level. These platforms use AI to predict deadlines, suggest priorities based on your workload, and even help you organize projects more efficiently. With AI helping you stay on top of your to-do list, you'll never have to worry about missing a deadline again. Time management is crucial when you're working remotely. One popular method is the Pomodoro technique, where you work in short, focused bursts. But did you know AI can optimize even this? AI can analyze your work patterns and suggest the optimal times for focus, breaks, and deep work. Tools like Rescue Time or Clockify go even further by providing detailed productivity reports, showing you when you're most productive and which tasks are eating up your time. With these insights, you can tailor your work schedule to match your peak productivity hours, making sure you're working smarter, not harder. Next, let's talk about communication. With remote work, staying connected to your team is essential, and AI can help with that too. Tools like Grammarly use AI to improve your communication, suggesting better wording and ensuring your tone is just right. And if you're in virtual meetings all day, AI transcription tools like Otter.ai or Rev can record, transcribe, and even summarize your calls, so you don't miss a thing. These tools not only save time but also reduce the chance of miscommunication and make collaboration with your team smooth and seamless. Finally, let's talk automation. One of the biggest advantages of AI is its ability to handle repetitive tasks for you. Say goodbye to boring admin work. AI-powered email automation tools like Boomerang or Superhuman for scheduling, inbox sorting, and follow-ups. AI can automate your emails, schedule meetings based on your availability, and even set up recurring tasks, so you can focus on what really matters. With AI handling these small but time-consuming tasks, your day becomes more efficient, and you can focus on the bigger picture. And there you have it, AI-powered productivity tools designed to make remote work not only manageable but enjoyable. From task management to automation, AI can streamline your workflow, help you stay on top of deadlines, and improve your overall work-life balance. Which AI tool are you excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.